Thinking about getting a truck from Penske? Here's what you can expect. You can find Penske throughout North America with locations in most Canadian provinces and every US state except Alaska for some reason. Sorry, Alaskans. Let's talk trucks. Penske's fleet includes cargo vans and trucks ranging from 12 to 26 feet. Keep in mind, not all options are available at every location, but here's a quick rundown of which truck fits your move. 12-foot truck, perfect for a studio or a small one-bedroom apartment. 16-foot truck, great for a 2 to 3 bedroom apartment. 22-foot truck, handles a 2 to 3 bedroom house with ease. 26-foot truck, ideal for larger homes with 4 or more bedrooms. When it comes to fuel, pay attention. Cargo van, 12 and 16-foot, run on regular unleaded gas, but the big boys, 22 and 26-foot, need diesel. With the bigger trucks, you can expect the standards like loading ramps and towing capabilities, as well as cruise control and dual-face mirrors. They're good about keeping their fleet up to date as well, which is a bonus in general. Newer vehicles tend to mean more comfort, better safety measures, and more efficient gas mileage. So, what does all this cost? Well, it depends. The basic formula is a daily rate for the truck plus a per mile fee. But where you're moving to and from, how far out you book, and whether or not you qualify for any discounts also have a lot to do with it. Here are some rough estimates. For local moves under 50 miles, around $200. Between 50 and 250 miles, about $350. And for really long hauls, somewhere in the neighborhood of $1,500. Some overall pros for Penske include unlimited miles for long distance moves, lots of available discounts, sturdier than average trucks, and free 24/7 roadside assistance. Cons include fewer locations than the competition, higher prices without discounts, and higher mileage costs for local moves. It always pays to compare. And speaking of comparing movers, if you need help on moving day, check out HireAHelper.com to find affordable pros in your area. Like this video? Give it a thumbs up and check out our video on the top 10 moving mistakes to avoid. And be sure to subscribe for more moving tips.